Hey there, music lovers! Are you ready to turn your passion for music into a source of income? Imagine getting paid for doing what you love, listening to music. In this video, I'll share with you a simple but effective technique that will allow you to earn money while enjoying your favorite songs. You'll learn how to use your phone or computer's buttons to generate a consistent daily income. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover a new way of making money while jamming to your favorite tunes. Don't miss out on this opportunity to live a more fulfilling life and provide for your loved ones. Let's get started. We have current.us right here to start with. To earn money with this app, you simply need to listen to music. Yep, you heard that right. All you need to do to listen to music is download their music app. You can therefore make money while using the current.us app in the background while you commute, work out, sleep, or perform any other daily activities. As you can see, many users have given this software 5-star reviews, which speaks for itself. With their rating, it's reasonable to assume that a lot of users have already tried and tested the app and benefited from it. That's great because this app is accessible to users of Android and iOS. There is no longer a necessity for you to use this method of making money online simply by listening to music, both online and offline. You won't grow tired of the app because there are thousands of music and radio stations to select from. Among them, the one and only YouTube. In other words, you can earn points by listening to their app. You will have the ability to convert them into money using those points. The best feature is that this application is accessible to everyone worldwide and is completely free. This is a great positive for me because anyone on the planet may utilize this strategy to produce money and support themselves. For people who are new to the online money-making business and are unsure of how to make money, this is an excellent chance. People might easily adopt, learn, and make money if they simply listen to music while working. Assuming you already have the app downloaded and set up on your iPhone or Android phone, visit the YouTube Music radio station to begin earning. But I want to make clear that there are a variety of ways to make money on this site before we get going. Yet in this video, I'll demonstrate how you can earn a lot of money while continuing to listen to current events daily. There are 2 ways to go about it. The first is to visit the YouTube Music homepage and do a music search. You can see that there are several well-known songs that you can truly sing live if you wish to. Hold on, I'll show you how to maximize this strategy's earning potential, particularly if we combine it with the already existing earning potential of YouTube Music. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. I'd like to start by sharing a playlist that I've been listening to recently. As you can see, these songs are well known and widely used in contemporary culture. I would thus urge you to create your own playlists that are similar to this one. You can choose from 15 to 30 different tunes. You can make money this way by listening to songs. I'm still in amazement at how efficient and straightforward this approach is. At the same time, once you've chosen all of your music, it ought to appear like this. The following action is to click this icon, which is right here. Until you decide to stop it, the music in your playlist will play continuously. Do you understand what I'm saying? There is a proverb that states that the more time you spend listening to music while working, the more money you'll have. I promise that if you use this simple strategy, you will make significantly more money than the other people who are generating money here simply by clicking on the repeat icon right now. You won't be paid for your music on YouTube. First and foremost, it will be current and pay you a lot of money. Just relax and watch as I explain how it operates. You can sync your YouTube music with the current music in this way. As a result, the present apps may pay you for listening to music on YouTube, which is the first possibility. The second method on this page will prove to be far more simple and more user-friendly. To select the music for the playlist, we employed the first technique. You will next have to pick a YouTube video from a playlist, like this one here. As you can see, this video is nearly an hour long and is entirely composed of songs that you can purchase and use to earn money. The best feature is that you can open several tabs and play another YouTube video from a playlist that is comparable to this one. You can use this method on as many tabs as you like. For instance, I have this video in the first tab, another film with a duration of more than an hour in the second tab, and another video with a duration of more than an hour in the third tab. The secret that most people are unaware of is that if you combine all three, you may make a lot of money. With the help of this tool, you may play numerous movies simultaneously on different tabs and increase your earning potential. By choosing this button, you can set the maximum speed for the video, which will maximize your earning potential. Simply fast forward your film to finish it earlier than planned, and you can earn a ton of money doing so. Isn't it true that the key to winning a game is how you play it? Overall, because it is simple to set up and operate, this is a great application for beginners. All that's left to do is connect your YouTube music with a current app to demonstrate financial independence and a reliable source of income. The end of that. Until the next video, take care. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you for watching.